All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, much appreciated. As always, going to be doing a quick review video today on DexBet. I'm on their website here, DexBet.win, and I'm on their white paper page. Going to be going over the white paper with you guys first, and then we'll take a look at the website. So DexBet is an online betting platform built on a decentralized infrastructure using cryptocurrencies and publicly verifiable through blockchain. Driven by dissatisfaction with the current betting market, DexBet.win was developed on blockchain precisely with the intention of being verifiable, since every type of transaction on the blockchain can be checked by anyone with internet access. Therefore, DexBet is safe, fair, and fun. It's a simple, secure, anonymous, and fair casino game market where players can bet Klever or KLV and in the future other tokens. So let's take a look at their white paper here. Having a game developed on blockchain makes the platform secure for those who are playing and also for those who are coding and creating games. The Web 3.0 experience needs to be complete in all its forms, and it is natural to want transparency in gaming of this type. The idea behind DexBet was born from freedom to create and develop clean and fair games. Therefore, nothing is more fair than choosing a blockchain with the same parameters to base the code and implementation of the gameplay. Through a code competition hackathon organized by Klever, a technology hub focused on the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain services, the DexBet team was challenged to create an innovative product built on kleverChain, the newest layer 1 blockchain launched by Klever Finance. So guys, I'll leave a link in the description for the Klever wallet, which you'll need to be able to connect with the DexBet game if you'd like to try it and play their casino type games. All right, let me go on with the white paper here. The challenges proposed by Klever only made us more sure that this blockchain was the most correct and fair for our endeavor. Finally, we emerged as the winners of the Klever Global Hackathon 2022 with the DexBet project. I have played games on DexBet. It is safe, and using your Klever wallet, going through the Klever, the K5 wallet browser on your iPhone, and you'll be able to connect to DexBet and play their games there. All right. With the thirst for victory and growth, our community comes together to build products with great gameplay that promote fun and joy. The community is an essential part of a creative process, and we use the community suggestions to develop new games and constantly implement UI and UX improvements. Let's see. It is the nature of our team to be committed to the community and the people who play the games offered by DexBet. The core premise that led us to create the games is to be verifiable and trustworthy. With a simple search in the Klever blockchain blockchain explorer, the player can have the information to analyze the transaction and understand why it happened, how the game performed, and the status of the bet. So you can verify your bet on the blockchain. So DexBet engine uses block hash and the random seed of the block that your bet entered to validate the play and generate unique magic number. You can get this information on the Explorer, cleverscan.org, using the transaction hash from your bet. You can calculate the magic number by the block hash and the random seed, converting both to decimal, adding them together, and then by applying the modulus to the result using the maximum number of ranges that the game supports. For example, dice 100 and wheel 54. The results will be the placement or the number rolled on that bet. We know this calculation can seem complicated, which is why we have made the validator available on our website. All the math can be performed through dexbet.win/about. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. We'll go back to the website. Having a platform confirming that the game happened fairly raises the level of confidence in the project and the game itself. Our betting results are fully verified on the blockchain. We calculate the magic number using the block hash and random seed provided by the kleverChain blocks, as they said before. So our team, a team made up of courageous people with clear objective, great passion for what they do, and a lot of willpower. In the DexBet team, we fulfill all the requirements surrounded by friendship of more than 15 years of free partners, with the addition of new asset for the group, bringing the freshness of joviality. The core team is formed by 4 great friends with the competence to create programming codes from another world. We have all accumulated experience with the blockchain programming from large companies, applications for various fields delivered with excellence and thinking heads that do not get tired of studying and seeking knowledge updates for the world of coding. So one of the things I look for is I like to see the team members. I like to see their faces. I like LinkedIn profile links and there to see their qualifications. That way I can perform some due diligence. I don't see that here. However, I know the Klever core team does a face-to-face interview with each of their projects going on their blockchain. They do dox the team, so that gives me a little bit more confidence. DexBet has been around for a little while, and I had never heard of any kind of complaints or accusations against them. They seem credible. I have used it myself, connected my Klever wallet myself, and played their games. It's pretty cool. I like it. I don't have any problems with it. Never had any problems with it. So, that's just my opinion. Obviously, do your own due diligence, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert. So, obviously use at your own risk. Like anything else in crypto, do your due diligence. All right. The creativity that involves thinking heads led us to DexBet, where we were able to put into practice both cognitive and practical skills to create a betting platform that enshrines the will of all partners, an enterprise that provides safe and adrenaline-guided fun for success. So team members, the decentralized CEO, graduated computer science, coding for 15 years, massive experience in blockchain, passionate about knowledge, science, and is always right. The lucky CTO, thirsty for novelties, new experiences, has been coding since he was 16. Genius with vast knowledge beyond computing. The money CFO, his knowledge base comes from the world of economics applied to computing and cryptocurrencies. Brilliant code knowledge with quick learning experience. The spreadsheet king. The gaming COO, expert in planning and proactive team building, is a computer science geek, graduated with honors from university. And Klever Labs, DO, advisor, How Pedro Alves Cruz Lima, business development and strategy advisor, Fernando Sobrera, blockchain advisor. Partnership, choose to build DexBet within the Klever blockchain, opened many doors for the project to grow naturally and organically with a consolidated and active community throughout Klever's products and social networks. DexBet has become relevant among those interested in the game, the idea, and the project's future. With the greater visibility of the platform at the end of the Klever blockchain 2022 hackathon awards, transactions made on the blockchain from DexBet gained a lot of notability, creating the desired partnership. The leveraging power of a global company like Klever is unquestionable, and being able to count on the Klever ecosystem to make DexBet grow makes the possibility of starting a revolution in the cryptocurrency betting market even more real. By utilizing the Klever technology stack, workforce, community, and ecosystem, we have the potential to create an entire decentralized betting ecosystem that is fair and verifiable for all users. Klever Foundation is not only DexBet's partner, but also incubator of our project, providing structure and viability for it to happen. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. If you haven't already done so, if you like this kind of content, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Much appreciated. Please stick around. I'm going to be going over the tokenomics next in the video, so stick around for that. It's very important. And they're also going to be having a token release soon that you can get involved in and purchase if you'd like. So, well, let's wait around for that, and let's continue on with what we're doing now about the games, the DexBet Casino. According to recent research data from the Grandview Research on the subject, the global online betting market size was valued at $57.54 billion in 2021 and is expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate 11.7% from 2022 to 2030. Knowing this data for fiat currency market, we can have a similar projection for the cryptocurrency world with the growth of Web 3.0 penetration in people's lives. This mainly due to transparency, reliability, and verifiability promoted by this technology via blockchain. DexBet's plan for the casino is to surf this growing wave of growing markets so that projects can become, in addition being profitable, an excellent hub of innovation, enjoyment, fair bets for players. With the value of community-oriented growth, we intend to add new games to the casino, improve the games already implemented, and constantly adapt to the betting and gameplay market. Under French denomination, the word casino can mean the house of pleasure, which is how we intend to manage DexBet in addition to a platform that creates and provides betting games. We want games to promote joy and fun. All right, so their starter games, they have dice. Basically consists of a 100-sided die where to win the bet is necessary to try to guess which number this die will draw between the betting options of 0 and 99. As the probability of hitting a single number is very small, there are options to bet over or under. For example, you can bet a range of numbers below 50. If the die is 31, you win the bet. In the same way, if you bet over 50 and the number is 51, you also win. They're more specific. Your bet, the less chance you have of winning. However, the bet multiplier increases proportionally. For example, if your bet is under 1, your odds of winning are 1%, but your winnings will be multiplied by 98.5 times. The magic number, or the number drawn, is randomly generated by combining the transaction blocks hash with the block's random seed. This information can be found on kleverChain.org. There's a wheel game. Numbers 0 to 53 divided into 4 colors. Each color has a chance of being hit, and the probability we define the bet's multiplier. 26 numbers painted cayenne with the 2 times bet multiplier. 17 numbers painted magenta with 3 times bet multiplier. 10 numbers painted with yellow, 5 times bet multiplier. 1 number painted green with 50 times bet multiplier. In order to win, you just need to hit the number on which the roulette will draw. As all bets are based on transaction blocks, it is necessary to wait for the block to be formed for the roulette wheel to spin, which takes around 12 seconds. As for the dice game, the magic number will be the hash combination of the transaction block with the random seed of the block. This information can be found again on kleverChain.org, or you can go to their About section and plug in the hash and get the information. All right, mines. The game of mines works as kind of minesweeper where bombs are randomly placed in a field full of diamonds. I like this game the best, in my opinion. Seems to have a little bit more excitement to it for me. Let me know what you think. Check it out. Try it. Leave a comment in the comment section. Which one is your favorite game? Let me know. You win the prize for not clicking on any mines. The fun starts when you select the number of bombs in the field, also increasing the diamond click suggestions. For example, by selecting 4 bombs and suggesting where 10 diamonds are, your bet multiplier reaches almost 10 times. The prize multiplier increases as the game becomes more difficult to win, reaching up to 300 times. In the same way as all other games, you can verify the bomb replacement by the magic number, which is a transaction block hash with the block's random seed. This information can be found on kleverChain.org. So some games they have coming soon. Plinko. Looks like that's the next game that's going to be happening. So DXB token. With the exponential growth of DexBet, we envision a near future where the entire community that supports the project can earn rewards for being part of the project. It may seem repetitive, but the community that surrounds the game and our partners plays a key role in decision made at the casino, which is why we're creating a token becomes necessary. DexBet token is the casino's utility token that entitles you to various perks, promotion bets, and future marketing actions, as well as new features within the platform. In addition to having the possibility to vote on changes, new games, and features, Those who hold DXB in staking will also be entitled to the DexBet pool, with the aim of distributing the prizes evenly among pool addresses. All right, so it doesn't specifically say that they're going to have a decentralized autonomous organization, so I'm not really sure if they're going to have that or not, but it looks like you will have some kind of voting rights. Various perks, promotions, bets, future marketing acts, as well as features within the platform. So then it says here to having the possibility of vote on changes, new games, and features. If you hold DXB in staking. So they don't specifically say it's going to be a DAO, but looks like you will have voting rights on some things. DXB is planned to take place on Q1 2023. Rewards, having community support for the DexBet project was something that boosted our desire to create and develop this project from the beginning. We knew that having this positive reinforcement from the start would be something special and necessary for DexBet's success, and having this recognition established motivates us daily. Therefore, it is natural to want to repay all this support to the people who assist us. So incrementally. We want users to have fun with fair and safe games in addition to win prizes for supporting the project. That's where you're going to split 70% of DexBet profits with the community weekly rewards for those who stake DXB. A referral program will also take part of the community rewards, and you will earn 0.1% of all bets made by the players referred. So you got a referral system here, and so you'll have profits, 70% of the DexBet profits with the community and weekly rewards for those who stake DXB. So it looks like you're going to have to stake DXB in order to get the rewards. So here are the tokenomics. Supply 150 million, relatively low supply. I like to see that. Mining will be 112 million pre-sale, 18 million foundation, 15 million marketing, 5 million. So what is this mining? Let's take a look at that. So the DXB token will be mined through bets placed in KLV. When placing a bet on DexBet, the player will receive their DXBs according to the amount applied converted to USD. Using the example of the mining level 1, if the player bet 10,000 KLV and KLV is at 0035 price, the player will receive 3.5 DexBet tokens, winning or losing the play. So whether you win or lose, you're going to be getting in this example, 3.5 DexBet tokens. So mining level 1, bet per DXB, or in USD 10, mining per level 1 million, mining bets 10 million, circulating 39 million. So these are going to be the levels up to, looks like 10 million bets. And then it goes up 1 million bets after that. So I'm assuming that every million after 10 million bets, the mining level will increase to the next level. So you're basically betting more and getting less, is my understanding of this. All the way up to the 112th level, which is 150 million. We go back here. So mining 112 million. So this all equals out to 112 million. Mining roadmap on the first level for every 10 USD in Klever values betted on casino games, a player will receive 1 DexBet. This value will remain until 1 million DexBet is mined on the platform. Then the mining changes to the mining level, which is what I kind of said before. For every million mined, the mining cost will increase by $1 betted per DXB. All right, so pre-sale buy for stake system. The pre-sale of the DXB token will take place through the Klever wallet, following a system called buy for stake within the swap. The system consists of buying a batch of DXB tokens that will be staked for a period of time. Each time period will have a limited amount of tokens to be sold. You'll be able to buy DXB for stake using the US dollar tether and swapping it into a stake contract for 6, 12, 24, or 36 months. Once staked, you'll receive a Web3 NFT token that will grant you access to predefined and fixed bonus rewards as stated below. There will be a possibility to choose which period of time the token will be insured according to the total value of the token available. The bonus will be available to claim every 6 months, while the DXB will be staked by the term chosen. Details of term, periods, rewards are outlined in the table below. So you can stake your DexBet tokens 6 months, 12 months, 24, 36. And these are the bonuses that you'll get here. And here's the roadmap. So my understanding is that once you have it in these staking contracts, you're going to be issued an NFT. So let's go back and just double check that. Let's see here. Once staked, you will receive a Web3 NFT token that will grant you access to predefined and fixed bonus rewards as stated below. So you'll get this Web3 NFT token. So you'll get access to your predefined and fixed bonus rewards. So here's the roadmap. Let's go back here. Mining. So the mining looks like it's going to take place on December 16th. Pre-sale December 27th. Mining token release February 10th. Klever exchange and swap listing February 15th. DexBet first pool distribution is February 20th. And here's the roadmap. So Q1 2023. Again, listing Klever exchange swap. DexBet pool distribution to DXB holders. DXB liquidity pool Q2. On Klever exchange, continue with betting games, launches, minimum 1 per month. Global marketing campaigns 2023, Q3, Q4, update roadmap release. So that's going to be it for the white paper. Let's head over to the website real quick. So you have this dice game here. This is what it looks like. You make your bet. Obviously, if you go under here, or over, depending, you get the multiplier changes, and it tells you what you'll win on the payout. Roll under, roll over. Pretty self-explanatory. So here's the wheel. You can see it spins. So I landed on 23, which is a 3 times bet win. They have a max bet, minimum bet buttons here. You can bet half or twice as much. Mines. So you pick, the more mines you pick, the more you win, but the less chance you have to win. So you can, pick your spaces, and, the more spaces you pick, the more you win. So you can see here on 100 KLV, I'd win 1,098. And you can see if one of the boxes I pick, if there's a bomb there, then I lose. Okay, here's the about. Who is DexBet? DexBet is a fully decentralized blockchain game on KleverChain. It's simple, secure, anonymous, and fair casino game where players can bet KLV in the future. Other tokens, is it fair? Fully verifiable on the blockchain. Again, I went over that. You can check this out when you get a chance, guys. How DexBet token works is coming soon, and how to verify your game. If you scroll down here, you can, you can enter the block number and the game that you played and generate the result instead of doing all the calculations yourself. So that's going to be it about for DexBet. If we go, let's go to Twitter and bring up DexBet, see if there's any information that we missed on there. See what their latest Twitter posts are. All right, so December 6th, History Partners Mining Presale and much more. So that came out with the white paper. Just says you can use your K5 in-app browser to play DexBet. So let's click on this.
If everything is okay, you can look into your address on menu. We have 4 options: the home, dice game, wheel game, and the about section. Let's start.
Let's start over.
Hello guys, we are here to explain how DexBet works. So first of all, we will need to download the latest version of K5 app, and then open the browser. After that, you go to Account Selector and select your kleverChain account. So now, we are ready to access the dexbet.win URL. If everything is okay, you can look into your address on menu. We have 4 options: the home, dice game, wheel game, and the about section. Let's start with the dice. On dice, we can bet over or bet under the value. The UI is very simple and easy to do that. Just select your value, bet over or bet under, check the win chance and your profit, and roll the dice. In a few seconds, you will know if you're a winner or not. The best thing is that it's totally decentralized and randomic. The wheel is the same, and the UI is very simple too. You can look at the old results on the right. Now, let's select our amount and choose our option to bet. Sign our transaction and let's wait for the result. Everyone is betting together, that's why we have the countdown. The last one is the About section. Here you can find our FAQ and simulate a new magic number. Thanks everyone, share this video with your friends and let's play together. Stay tuned for new games and updates.
So a couple examples of how to connect your wallet and a couple examples of the game and also how to connect your wallet. So I think that's going to be it for today, guys. Let me know what you think about DexBet in the comment section. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe if you like this kind of content. Much appreciated. And until the next video, this is CryptoVin, and I'll see you later, guys. Be safe.